part 3 of my series targeting senior executives and management at your site. These videos are intended to secure sponsorship for our reliability journey. They're designed to be simple, blunt, and brief, targeting 2 minutes. Question for today: can you list and define the pillars of a reliability culture? Expect to be surprised by my answer. This is Joe Kuhn of Lean-Driven Reliability, bridging the gap between best practices and the reality that you live in at your plants every day. There's only one pillar of reliability, only one area to focus, only one concept to understand. Ready? Eliminate waste. A relentless focus on waste is what every single reliability tool, every single training session you go to in reliability, every tool is designed to eliminate waste. Examples: PMs, you're trying to eliminate unplanned work, unplanned downtime. PDM, you're trying to eliminate unplanned downtime, but also to reduce that unplanned downtime and to gain understanding of failures of equipment. Planning and scheduling, why do we do that? It's for efficiency of our people. Waste. I've seen elements underneath this one pillar of 13 elements, 29 elements, 36 elements. Everybody's got something different. Titles like reliability engineering, problem solving, condition monitoring, equipment, maintenance plans, governance, asset management, number of things. There's a number of skills to learn, but they're not the pillar. It's great for top leaders to know all aspects and tools and understand them that goes into making a reliability culture, but there's one that must happen. They need to understand waste. That's the reality of current state, the waste and what you have in your plant. And then it's very simple to apply tools once you believe and understand the waste. Make sense? Begin with KPIs, folks. That's how you start this journey. Begin with KPIs, but then that has to be supplemented with overwhelming observation. KPIs are biased, they're misleading, they point you in a direction. Sometimes they're just 100% wrong. I contend that every servant leader must master observation to know their current state, or you're going to be doomed to make bad decisions. Eliminate waste. What a simple concept. What a concept to rally around at your site, from the CEO down to the operator, the mechanic, the electrician. Eliminate waste. It's easy to align troops around that. Focus on the why when you're trying to implement a tool. Tools are not the answer. You got to understand why you're doing things, the reality, the waste of your plant. Begin your journey, folks. If I can help you out in any way, reach out to me. I guarantee I can save years off your reliability journey. Thanks.